In today's demonstration, we're going to show new users who are not yet familiar with HealthServe how to set up their institution on HealthServe and start using the software. And to start with, when you visit healthserves.org as spelled in the URL address, you click enter, and your system, which can be a computer or mobile device, will take you to HealthServe. Please note, HealthServe has X after serves, not serve, otherwise it will take you to a different website. Alright, when you get here, click on register. It will give you a drop down. This is for patients to register their account on their own. This is for your staff to register their account on their own, and this is for you to register your institution on HealthServe. And when you click on that, you will have this form to create an account for your institution. So simply go ahead and fill this form as well as possible. But ensure, if you have your logo, to upload your logo here, because this software will use this logo to design a printout for all your documents, like lab result, invoice, and so many other things you may need to print out from this software. Now, while creating your institutional account, use promo code drug recall to get 1 month free trial access. So once you're done filling this form, click on register institution and expect your institutional ID. So once you have it, please keep it well. That is your only login to this system. But if for any reason you forget your institutional ID, you can recover that by clicking on login. When you do that, you click on forget password and you click on this, and it is going to open this interface. Simply enter the email address you used to create your institutional account and click recover account. Instantly, it will send you your login detail to recover your account. Now, once you have created your account, hit on login on the system. And when you do that, go ahead and enter your institution ID. So we're going to use one to try and see. This account are demo account, so there's no need for you to worry about privacy, because we're not going to use any real patient account in the course of this demo. All right, so I've logged into this account, and the only thing you need to do after you create your account is for you to go to this place and begin to onboard your staff. So for you to onboard a staff who use the link I showed you earlier, the registration link, simply click on enroll staff and punch in the staff ID here, and the staff will be enrolled automatically. But in the alternative, the staff has not registered and you want to create account from this interface, hit on the register new staff, fill this form, and an ID will be generated for that staff, and the staff will at the same time be enrolled into your institution directly. All right, so that is it about staff registration. And once you register them, ask them to go ahead and log in with their staff ID and password, and once they start working, whatever they're doing will be syncing with your institutional account in real time. When I say institution, I'm referring to hospital, medical laboratory, and community pharmacy. Now, beyond this, for those that are into laboratory operation and hospital operation, you will need to know more about this. But while using HealthServe, if there's any page you don't understand how to use it, simply click on this question mark, and it will allow you to it will give you information you need to understand how to use the system. Now, what are we going to do with this page? It says medical investigation staff. Here you have a tool that will allow you to adjust who to have access to what information in your organization. Like for instance, if you want these staffs we have here to have access to lab tests, run a test in the system, and produce a printout from the system, then you put these buttons on as it is. But any of them that you don't want to have access, simply close the access to it from here. All right, you can see I've closed the access and I've opened it. So for the ultrasound, for instance, if there's anybody here you don't want to have access, you can close access to it by pushing this button. Then also in your ultrasound printout, there's a section called finding, there's another one called impression, and there's one called clinical comment. If you don't want to those sections to bear this name, you want to give them a different name in your organization, maybe you want to call it ultrasound finding, you can go ahead and write ultrasound findings, and that will be what you'll be seeing in your institution only. Then same thing applies to X-ray. You can adjust it and just hit on update caption. That is all. And also for every service you provide, I believe you have a price for that service. Go ahead and set the prices for your services here. You can see we're on hematology. Click on add prices, and then go ahead and put all the prices under the price column and hit update all. It's done. Then move to the next one by clicking next option. Then we are doing complete block count. Add all the prices as it applies to your institution and click update all. Move to the next option. So until you add all the prices as it applies to your institution, you're good to go. Once you are trying to attend to patients, system will automatically pick this price to generate a bill. There's also option for you to customize the lab reference in this system by clicking on add new item. Once you click on this, you click select option. Let's say under hematology, prothrombin time is 10 to 14 seconds. You can edit it here to whatever value you want to set for it. By clicking on this, you can change it to, let's say, 13, and you click update. The job is done. So when you check now, you will find out that the lab reference will now bear a new value. Is 10 to 13 seconds and no longer 10 to 14 seconds. That is how to adjust the lab reference. You can adjust the lab reference to anything you want. And if for any reason you feel that you need to restore it back to what you had before, click on restore default. There are so many things I want to show you, but time will not permit me to do all of that. But there's a lot you can do here. Even health insurance function, you can actually manage it with this system, including staff, patient scheduling, and staff evaluation too. You can actually monitor your staff in real time using this software, because wherever you are, you can have access to view your file and see what they're doing. That is all what this particular section I'm looking at now is doing. It's called staff activity evaluation. So you can use this section to evaluate your staff activity, see what they're doing, and then if you want to get across to them based on what they have done, simply click on their username. System will give you an interface for you to chat with that staff in real time. So I can start by typing hello, and then I send to the staff. We start chatting. The staff will reply me, and we chat like the way we do on WhatsApp and Telegram. All that is in this system. So what more can we ask for? We are ready for you, and we said whatever you can think and conceive, we can make it happen. Just give us your idea on what more we can do to improve the healthcare delivery using technology, and we will implement it for you. All we ask for is for you to use this software maximally in your practice. Thanks for watching. This is Institutional Onboarding. In the next episode, we are going to show you how to use this software to attend to patients.